Hello guys, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Sorry I missed you guys Sunday, but I'm back and it was my anniversary, so we kind of had some things going busy, but we're going to be doing up a chocolate creamy pie and it's delicious and it's quick. Only downfall is, of course, you got to chill it for several hours, but in my bowl, I have my cream cheese. I'm going to add my sugar. And make sure your cream cheese is softened because you do want this nice and creamy. You don't want no lumps in it. See, mine's nice and soft. Am I moving out of the picture here? I can't see. See, this is already nice and soft. Now to that, I'm going to add in a good tablespoon of Cool Whip. Just to make it more even. But I'll just get this mixed up. Okay, I have my cream cheese there mixed up. Now I'm going to add in 1 cup of the Cool Whip. Get all that out of there. And this pie is so easy, y'all. I'm sure a lot of you have made this one up. I've been wanting this. We love this pie. Been craving it. And just get that all mixed in there. You don't really want to beat it fast. Just stir it in there. Get all that cream cheese mixed in with the Cool Whip. And that's good. Now I'm going to be using, you could definitely make your own cookie crust if you wanted to, but we love these ones. I'm using the chocolate cookie one. It's got that pie right on the front of it. And we'll just empty this right in here on the bottom. And as I said, the downfall with this is the chilling. I'm going to scrape my bowl out here. I like to make it the night before, but this one ain't going to wait till tomorrow. We'll have this probably within the next 5 hours or so. Get this spread out here. Basically just going to get it all around the bottom, maybe a little bit up on the side. Okay. That's good enough. Now in my bowl here, I have my instant chocolate pudding. Gonna add my cold milk. And we're just gonna beat this up for a couple of minutes till it's nice and thick. Okay, I said beat it up for a couple of minutes. It took like 20 seconds because I forgot we're not making a regular pudding because it doesn't call for as much milk. So now we're going to add our Cool Whip here. Now I started with a 12 ounce and then you're going to take out the 1 cup to put in with your cream cheese mixture. And the rest of it from your 12 ounce container will go in here. And that pudding is real thick, but this will thin it out. Get it all out of there. Okay. See, that pudding is real thick. I'm just going to stir this in there and get it all mixed up, guys. Okay, I got this all mixed up. Looks like a nice fluffy mousse. Get this here. And we're just going to put this right on top. Love, love, love this pie. So good. So I'll continue dolloping this on, guys. All right. Got all my pudding on here. Mousse-like. It's very creamy and thick and yummy. Now this will go in the fridge. I'll probably keep it in there maybe 4 to 5 hours. And when you take it out, you could decorate it with some of that Ready Whip or your own fresh made sweet cream. But we're going to chill this, guys. And we'll be back and cut a slice several hours later. See y'all later. Okay, everyone, there's the pie. It chilled, I believe, 5 hours. And everybody's fixing to have a slice. So I just put everybody a little spray of the Ready Whip right on top of it. But there it is. And let me show y'all there. See there? It's a delicious pie. And I'm going to get a bite here with y'all. Yum, 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 yum. That is so good. But anyway, oh God, that's good. I'm going to eat all that. But anyway, you guys enjoy that. Please like and subscribe. Get yourself subscribed for the 50,000 subscriber giveaway. We're hitting or going for that 50,000 mark. So if you're not subscribed, get yourself subscribed, guys. And we will see you again Sunday. You guys take it easy. Make you up some pie. Bye-bye.